you have, in record 7 months, brought down the cost of Unga from a staggering 230 shillings to 150 shillings. Congratulations, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, you never went to look for money to subsidize Unga. The only input that has brought about this success of bringing down the cost of Unga is good thinking and prudent management. And that is all that was required in this country. Your Excellency, the problem of Africa and the world is one of leadership. And Kenya is not unique. The challenges that we have been having as a country for the last 5 years is as a result of leadership. You have come in 7 months and done what looked undoable. Many people have been shouting in the streets that you need to subsidize Unga for it to come down. You ignored it and did the right thing. Today, Unga has come down. So I want to say to those characters who are in the streets, saying that they were protesting because of the cost of Unga, to look for another reason now to go to the streets. That reason does not exist. And for those of us who know them, we knew it's an excuse. It was not the real reason. It had to do with other things that are extraneous. So, Your Excellency, we want to say that those of us who work under you are committed to assist you as you embark on the economic transformation of this great republic. You found this country in the ICU, and within 7 months, you have steadily moved to the HDU. And I'm sure in another 2-3 months, we will be in the ward on our way home. And we want to tell you something.